start now.
Hmm.
So, hi everyone. My friend Mohit is with me, so he's going to give you some idea about his experience, where he had started, and what all journey he did it. So right now he is working in IMS uh, Pharmaceuticals, and his position is as a test lead. He's covering or guiding the testing team and preparing test scenarios and all. So basically, this sessions we have created for the beginners level who have don't have any knowledge on testing, how to start their career, and how will they will go ahead with their journey. So Mohit will give you some experience about their background, how he has started his career in software testing, and from beginning to the expert level where he is reached. Will ask some question, he will reply on that, and if you have any comment, so you can comment it down our comment box. So let's start with a small introduction about the Mohit. So Mohit, can you explain me about something about yourself? Our audience will want to hear about something. After that, we'll start with the question.
Hey, hi. Thanks, Deepak. Like kind introduction. So I have my name is Mohit. I have total 8 year experience in the testing domain. So I started my career as a junior software test engineer, and currently in 8 year experience, I have become a team lead. So I'm handling the mostly in the testing domain.
Okay. So where
Mm.
you have started yourself from? Means, when you have joined your software testing career. So how you're thinking
So I,
from start to end the level where you want to go ahead or where you want to see in some of the years.
So actually, I got campus placement from my college, and I got when I joined my first organization, they gave me the opportunity in the testing domain. So later, it's like compared to development, it's just testing. Like in beginning, I found it's not that much. I will get the growth, but in terms of if you when I started work on the testing and more familiar with the concept, so like it's a good career opportunity that testing pro line will give us.
If I want to include something here, just like you started your career in software testing by using campus placement, but some of the colleges are not offering the campus placement. So how you can suggest them where to they will start?
Yeah, so in as currently in the industry, we can found many kind of institution going on in the market. So there are many institution I will not specify any institution name, but there are some online content also. If you any of the newly fresher and guy want to be enter the testing domain, there are many platform available in the internet also. If you want to refer any institute, go for the start your career with the manual testing, so that will help.
Okay, that's good. Actually, that will help our viewer to start their journey in software testing. So, second question I want to ask with you. So, why you have started your career in software testing only? Not you have started with the software development or any other course which is already boom in the market.
So if you look at the developer profile, developer will more about they know how to develop the functionality. But if you look at the tester role, is more about the how user will use it. So as per my understanding, tester will have the more knowledge about the functionality, so they can know how tester will easily familiar with what they are going to deliver to the customer. So in terms of that, we can say tester has a more knowledge on the what is going to deliver to the customer and how end user will use it. So that is actually helpful the how in industry how actually stakeholders looking for that. So tester have a big role compared to developer.
Okay, that I'm summarizing that your answer. So just like developer is having some related functionality which he is going to develop, so he is having knowledge of smaller piece, and as compared to the developer, tester is having a complete functionality idea about the product, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So if anyone wants to start your career with software testing, so which all resources are available for them to learn and for them to start their journey in software testing?
Okay, so like whenever the testing is a like complete, these are two kind of things that all these are know like verification and validation. So first, two type as per my understanding, their tester should have good understanding knowledge that they can analyze analytical skill. They should have good analytical skill and like if you consider they should understand the permutation or combination kind of thing, how the how they can test the different scenarios. Okay, so that kind of basic skills they need.
Okay, that's good. So, which resources the users can view it from any YouTube channel or any website name uh, or any of the books
So
suggestion
generally,
from your
yeah,
side? Yes.
so generally I referred onestoptesting.com,
Okay.
and that is actually famous testing of the every tester will refer it, so you will find all kind of methodology and what kind of testing in the market. And apart from this, if you can consider as a tester, like market is growing, rapidly changing, and before most of the projects works on the waterfall model, now they are moving to agile. So so quite familiar with the different methodology that will help. And I can refer for booking for book, you can refer a fundamental of software testing. So that is available on the Amazon and Flipkart, so user can refer it.
Okay. Great. It will definitely help our viewer to get these books and website name. So, any other resources are available as per you, or you have referred it in your journey, like any
No,
website
so
name or?
like when hmm, no, software one-stop testing manager, software grew in the tutorial point also. So basic software testing, there is testing is like in fundamental testing and automation testing. So testing QA is divided into two categories. One is manual and automation. So if anyone is a quite beginner in the study, they can go for the fundamental of testing. If any of the testers who have 3 to 4 year experience and they want to grow up their career in the testing domain, they can go for the automation testing part. So again, there's many testing tools. So testing is a wide domain. Like if a user want to, we go to the if any of the one start the career in the testing profile, and he can go for the performance testing, security testing, automation testing, and also like in database testing that is also quite new.
Okay, that's it. So, you have started your career with manual testing only, or you have started with the automation both? Means I can see or heard from many of the viewers or the junior software tester. So, where should I start? From only manual testing will help us, or for making career, it will need both, or any of them is good to start. So, how you started
So
your journey? Means
as my point of
or
view, I
automation.
started my career I started my career as a manual tester. But
Okay.
if like 3 to 4 year, if you're looking, if you want to be stable your profile in the market, you need to switch to automation profile. That is required. That will help to give growth to your career.
Okay, so it means the answer of this question, you have started your career with manual testing, then also you have raised now in a great position. So you are working as a test lead. It means it's enough for them to start their career in manual testing only, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So which all best tools for use for the test case management and defect reporting? This is a basic question asked by the interviewer, which all testing tools they will start learning for test case management and defect reporting. Any
The
specific?
most popular tool in the market is Jira and HPALM. So most of the companies are using these are actually paid tools, Jira and HPALM. Some companies use their internal tool, but functionality is same as Jira and HPALM.
Okay, you mean to say HPLM and Jira is enough for them.
Yes.
So I can heard of many of the viewers or exports conditions. So uh, there is a one myth. I'm not sure it is myth or it's an interpretation by any viewer. So whenever there is a automation testing is there, manual testing is not required. It is right or this is the myth. Means everything is possible in automation testing, or do we need the manual
No,
testing
no,
as well?
no, manual efforts are required. So like automation, if your application, there are two kind of scenario. If your application is very much complex and it's a quite more permutation combination to test it, then automation, in that case, automation will fail. So manual testing is required. So automation is hardly been used when we have simple application. This is not too much complex. Then automation is good and it is best as for the delivery and the as per the delivery and the result perspective. But manual efforts are required in each testing cycle.
It means manual is mandatory for all the projects and deliverables, right?
Yes, yes.
So if anyone wants to start their career with a software testing background, so which is the top position he or she can reach? So any specific top level position or it's cut off, we can say that.
So beginner for beginner is a software tester, then they can move for the senior software test engineer, then it will go for the QA lead, then QA manager. And at the end, what I say, there's a some new position coming in the market that is known as commercial tester. So that commercial tester is like QAT. So if you have good experience and you have very familiar with the software, what you are going to deliver to the customer. So what companies will do before the stakeholder, they will have one different commercial team. So once when QA give the sign off, it will move to the some another team. So that is actually kind of consultant for the consultant tester. So that is a new position and it's very helpful.
Okay, means top level position is consultant tester.
Yes, yes.
So what about other project? He cannot move it to the project manager or test manager.
Yes. Anyway, it's based on the your career goals where user want to be go.
Yes, definitely. But actually, I am talking about the user point of view, where he can reach. Means what is the maximum level of position, or you can say that the hierarchy in the organization.
So organization, this hierarchy got changed. So maximum I can say QA manager also. Some places I saw QA director also. So you
Okay.
can you can become a director also when you are in a testing profile.
Okay. So it will require more experience for reaching that position, 15 or 16 years of experience, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, what was the salary package are users getting from beginning level to after having some experience? So, is there any cutoff? Or I know that it's nowadays there is a huge demand of the software tester, and even though companies are not paying good for salary for everyone, but even though there is some cutoff for the junior level, and after moving their career from 1 year to 2 year or 3 year to 4 year, so, what is the salary package? Is there any categorization in between them?
See, as per my knowledge, there's a no cutoff. Like if you have good knowledge, you can get a good salary, even on to 3 year experience also. But as per market standard, if you look into the market, like 1 to 2 year experience guy is easily getting 3 to 4 lakhs rupees package. That is the on average salary. But if you are going to some premium companies, they are offering the more than 10 lakhs. So it's knowledge only.
So, it means 3 to 4 lakhs for 1 or 2 years. It is definitely going to be a average salary or good pay for them because nowadays many of the engineers
Yes.
or other industry candidates are getting less salary or some of the bonds are also signed by the organization. But I think this is the desired amount after 1 or 2 years, which will help the user or the
Yes. Yes.
beginner level to start their career. 3 to 4 years, something around 25,000, more than 25,000 in hand salary, right? So,
Yes.
if we talk about the future of
Yes.
manual tester, so what we can consider about the future, how and till whenever he will or she will be in their market. any scope or future of any software tester?
Like if you're 5 year experience, you're working in a manual testing domain, that it's bit difficult to stay in the market. So need to be switch to the automation, and that there are different, not in automation, there's a performance testing, security testing. There are many kind of testing also categorized into a different domain, so that any of the candidate can refer as per his interest.
Okay. So I heard some, from the many of the viewers or even in the working professionals, is there any cutoff for the education background? Which all education backgrounds are suitable for the starting career in software testing? Or anyone can enter into this career?
So anyone can enter in this career. Not only the BTech guy. I saw many of the guys who have BCA and MCA. Okay, they are also working in the. Well, they also started at the career as a software tester, even in development also. So that is not required, but only that is you should have the streaming or the computer science or information technology. If you have that kind of qualification, they can enter in the market.
So it means also BA candidates and can also have some
Yes,
knowledge on the testing and they can start their career in software testing.
yes, yes,
So anyone can take in any institution or 3 to 4 months of course on software testing. They can start their career in software
yes,
testing
yes,
background and work. Or even
yes.
though from the beginners level, they can reach on the top position as well. Okay, that will definitely create a thing for the software tester. So anyone can start their career in software testing. So one more question, or this is not linked, and the final question we can say that. So if anyone wants to become as a software tester, so how and where they will start? Any specific starting point?
Okay, so like first, whatever you are getting in the market, like if you're testing, you're going to, if you are interested in the QA profile and you're going to start your testing. So like if now let's say a fresher comes the market and he's getting this, that is a good time to start in QA. And later it's like some people also like if they have 6 to 7 year experience in the development profile, if they want to switch to the testing because of some time bound issue tested in the tester. So any resource can switch to in testing domain also, that is also possible.
Any feedback from your side for beginners level or any suggestion for them you want to provide it? Means I know you started your career from the software testing from beginning level and reached in the some good position. So any feedback from your side or suggestions for them?
Yeah, so like in beginning you told like yes, in beginning you tell like if you compare to what is the good development and testing. So I will say there's a both is required in the market. The developer is giving some effort, so definitely QA is required. So as per my observation, testing is a good profile, and it's not some people compare development is good testing, but both have some importance.
So nicely talking with you, Mohit. I will definitely recommend viewers or software testers who is want to join their career or start their career in software testing. This interview, or we can say that this chat will definitely help them to make their career in software testing. And we have discussed lot many points. I will definitely very really thankful for you, Mohit, to share your experience, your background, and whatever we have discussed. It will really help the beginners to start their career in software testing. So thank you about this, and thanks for connecting with your channel. Thank you, Mohit.
Thanks, Deepak.
I,